Today, I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to ClickFunnels. By the end of this walkthrough, your domain's www version will be properly pointing to your ClickFunnels account, so visitors land on your funnel when they type in your website address. Let's start from your GoDaddy account. First, log in and go to your domain portfolio where all of your domains are listed. Find the domain you want to use with ClickFunnels. Once you see it in the list, look just to the right of it for the option labeled DNS. Go ahead and click DNS. This will open the DNS management page for that specific domain, which is where we'll make the connection to ClickFunnels. On the DNS management page, you'll see a table of different DNS records. These control how your domain behaves and where it sends traffic. What we're interested in is the CNAME record that uses www as the name. This www CNAME is what allows people to type www.yourdomain.com and be routed to the right place. Now carefully scan down the list of records until you find the CNAME row where the name or host is set to www. In most cases, it will already exist because GoDaddy often creates it by default. If you don't see it at first, double check that you're actually looking at CNAME records, not A records or others. Once you've found the CNAME record with the name www, you're going to edit it, not create a new one. On the far right of that www CNAME row, you should see a pencil icon or an edit option. Click that pencil icon to open the editing view for this record. In the edit view, you'll see a field labeled value, points to, or something very similar. This field determines where your www address sends visitors. This is where you connect to ClickFunnels, and the exact value depends on which version of ClickFunnels you're using. If you're using ClickFunnels 2.0, you'll need to enter your unique shard URL. This is a specific address provided in your ClickFunnels 2.0 account, and it usually looks something like yeseastshard10.myclickfunnels.com. Make sure you copy it exactly from your ClickFunnels settings without extra spaces and paste it into the value or points to field. If you're using ClickFunnels Classic, the process is almost the same, but the value you enter is different. Instead of a shard URL, you'll simply type target.clickfunnels.com as the value or points to. Again, type it carefully, all one word, and make sure there are no typos. After you've entered the correct value for your version of ClickFunnels, double check everything, confirm the name is www, confirm the type is CNAME, and confirm the value exactly matches what ClickFunnels told you to use. When you're confident it's correct, click Save to apply your changes. GoDaddy will update the record and your www domain will now be pointing to ClickFunnels. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, often anywhere from a few minutes up to a couple of hours. Once that's done, your www domain should successfully load your ClickFunnels funnel.